Alright, good morning everybody. Hope you're all doing good. This is the first day of the week, which is a Tuesday for trading. Why? Because yesterday was a... what's it called? Yesterday was a bank holiday. Let's go right to the 4 hour. We could refine it to here. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to refine this and say this is my prime zone. So what I'm writing is 2 week refined to 4 hour. 2 week refined to 4 hour. That's my prime zone. So once price actually enters here, I'm looking for a strong reaction, you know? Whether it brings us all the way up, back up, or obviously not on one go, but... anyhow, the time is now. I need to scale into the 15 minute. We got a low lurking right over here. We got a low lurking right over here, which we can say is a medium inducement. Actually, no, we'll make it orange. So hopefully this medium inducement, or this gets induced. Actually, I won't enter until this gets induced. I won't enter. I need this to get induced to give me hopes of a nice reaction upwards. And I wouldn't be surprised if what happens is... I wouldn't be surprised if medium inducement takes out this trend, takes out these people, right? Forms a change of character on the way, taps back into our decisional or extreme zone, and then goes to hunt all these people. Let's see how it reacts off this supply. It just seems like still price is so slow, you know? It looks like we're having a slight reaction. We'll see if it holds though. We'll see if this 3 minute holds. I don't think it will. I think it's gonna get taken up. I personally think it's gonna get taken up. Basically, price took basically majority of it. So what we have so far, we have build up thing. We have a sweep. Yes, we have a sweep. Now we're waiting for a reveal of market intent, which is like... now we have a change of character. Finally. Oh my days, I've been waiting for it my whole life. I've been waiting for it my whole life. You already know what I'm gonna mark out, boy. You already know what I'm gonna mark out, boy. Where is it? Where is it? If it does go well, we can hope to see for a nice... where is it? There we go. A nice 17R. You can be humble and take around here, which is a 15R, or you can take the full Asian high, which is a 17.48 RR. I just had some breakfast, and we see that we got tapped in, and unfortunately, I did say to you guys I should cover these, these lows, But I was too greedy. I was too greedy. My stop loss is like I was around here. Like right around here. I got wicked out and it just kept pushing. What's happened so far is we've had a trend line, a liquidity sweep, and another reveal. So let's mark this as a failed order block. Oh, what the hell? And it wasn't that the order block was like, it wasn't that the analysis was wrong. It was more to do with that I was too greedy. That's as simple as that. I was just too greedy. The best thing for me to do is to close this down and not look at it. And we're basically out. I know I'm taking out. Yeah, I'm out. Alright. And I already added to my list. I have this, so I should write it down again. That nothing happened at 8, so less likely for something to happen later. So we shouldn't really trade the session. What did I do? I traded after 9, which is after the first hour. Second mistake is I didn't cover the lows. I know the analysis was wrong, of course, but still, the fact of the matter is I didn't cover the lows. So yeah, twice I didn't cover the lows because of greed. The first one was that I traded after the first hour when it didn't really have much of a reaction. And second, yeah, I also didn't see any strong reactions from my order blocks, which should have added to my mind that, okay, price is a bit odd right now. I'm going to add those 3 to my journal now. I'm thinking, is there anything else? So greed. It was mainly due to greed. And I traded after the first 1 hour window where nothing happened. I don't mind trading after the first hour, only if a big move has happened, because I usually find another. Let's say, for example, a big move happens, shoots up, whatever, reacts, bam, goes up. I'm like, oh, and it happened in the first hour. I'll be like, okay, this is where the motion of the ocean's going. And then in the second hour, I can find a re-entry. In the second hour, I usually find a re-entry that taps back into it. And I'll see you in the New York session. Alright guys, I hope everyone's good. We are back for the New York session. So it's pretty much all of London has just been consolidated. Session cycle are we in? We are in New York. So it's either continuation or a reversal. But seeing as London was only consolidating, let's pay attention to what London's telling us, right? That's what we need to do. If it was just consolidating, let's see what London was saying to us. They're saying, hey, we're forming a slight trend line here. Hey. Also, we're forming a trend line here. Okay. But if I have a full sweep of this, not half, not quarter, not 3/4, a full sweep, taking out the London low, taking out this mini trend line. It's a very small trend line. It's not much, honestly. It's already being taken out anyways. So, yeah. Yes. Trend line. My food, it's now 2:47. What's happened so far? Those people I marked out got liquidated. Just drawing it from here. And they got liquidated. Again. It reacted off a small supply here. If it creates a lower low, that'll be interesting. That'll show me that sellers are still more in power. Alright, to update you guys. So what have we had so far? We've had repeatedly tapped into supplies, pushing down, and now we had a full break of structure. I wasn't sure which one I should enter, because like I said, that's a break of structure here on the 1 minute, and this is a break of structure on the 5 minute. So this, since price closed here, I included this supply, but since price closed here as well, I included this supply. Yeah. So what I've done is I've just included these two supplies. I guess I should include all of this, but I don't know. Anyways, so I have my markings here just to like let you guys know what's going on. It's, as you can see on my computer. Oh, you can't even see my time. Okay, if I move this, it's 3:14. So you know this is the live market we have here, 3:14 as well. And yeah, that's about it. We're just waiting for a retap and hopefully a continuation. Unless it changes character and taps into a demand before it taps into that, then I might switch my narrative. As for now, we just leave it, and that's just me updating you guys. I think I'm quite happy with that, you know. Alright guys, quick update on the New York session. Alright, so sometimes I get a bit confused, right? Sometimes I get a bit confused on the whole, if it swipes below, it could tap into a supply, or it could swipe below, change the character, and then go up. However, what I figured out is after it swiped out these people, right? So after it swiped out these people, it came up, it respected this supply. So although I was looking for a change of character, no change of character happened. Why? Because it respected this supply. Came up, respected again. So I marked this off as a breaker structure, right? It didn't tap in, unfortunately. It was very close. It was very close. I didn't really see this as like a breaker structure properly. I was thinking of this, but I wasn't too sure. So anyways, this is marked wrong. I was supposed to put it like that. I was looking at this zone. But I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if price was just going to go up, or I was waiting for it to tap in. I don't know. But I missed this one here. So this was one entry. Blah, blah, blah. And this one, I was waiting for this to close below. And then it mitigated. And then I closed here. And then as it was coming up, I just wasn't sure if I should actually take this one. The main things I need to fix on now. And like, oh my, this would have been so nice. I get so annoyed sometimes when I miss like such sexy entries, you know. Oh my days. And also while I was too worried, I was like, what happens if it's taking so much liquidity and it could just reverse right now? Look, I just need to remember, once the session starts, it's most likely going to go in that direction. Sometimes it can reverse, but we don't really have to be worried about that. Actually, to be honest, if I just marked out this zone and took this supply, look at that. 424, 25. That hit a max of 27.5. That's insane, bro. That's insane. But yeah, I just feel like I miss all my successful ones, and I have an issue of like, I wait for price to go until I mark out the supply, where I need to mark it out while it's happening and then tap in for a second and then keep going. But that 27 was sexy. That would have, oh my day. We were so close. Okay, so things to improve on. 5 minute structure. or 5 minute to use the 5 minute structure / use it as an opportunity, scale down to the 1 minute, mark out 1 minute potential break of structures, wait for a 1 minute close, enter off the last supply zone. And then another thing is get used to 1 minute time frame to train our eye to it, and so we can go into more detail of who's winning this battle back and forth. I think that's about it. I'm glad I'm glad I didn't get on this one, because this one could have easily been induced. It could have gone bad, you know. But that gave me a sign that it was, you know, thing, and obviously this didn't get tapped in. Missed that entry here, missed that entry here. Hesitated on here, missed that entry completely here. Anyways, that's about it for the New York session. So I took, to sum up today, 2 losses and that's about it. 2 losses, 2 missed entries that were successful. Is what it is. But we'll get a better defense. I would have taken a lot more losses. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys. That is Tuesday over, 12th of the 11th, 2024. And I'll be on Wednesday tomorrow. See you guys.